In the high-energy world of sausage making, every day is a race to turn simple ingredients into the delicious sausages we love. This isn't just cooking. It's a full-on operation where precision, speed, and skill determine whether a sausage makes the cut or gets left behind. So, how do they do it? It all starts with picking the right meats. This part is crucial. Only the best pork, beef, and sometimes chicken get the green light. These meats then face the grinder, a beast of a machine that chops thousands of pounds of meat every hour. But here's the catch. The meat needs to stay cold to avoid getting mushy, which could ruin the sausage's taste and texture. Next up, we mix in the magic, spices and seasonings. This is where sausages get their signature flavors, from spicy to herby. Big mixers blend the meat and spices, making sure every bit is evenly seasoned. But they have to be careful. Overmix it and you've got a tough sausage. Undermix and the flavors won't spread out right. Now we're diving into a pivotal moment in sausage making, getting that perfectly seasoned meat into casings. Here's where a key decision comes into play: choosing between natural or synthetic casings. Each option has its own fans and for good reasons. Natural casings, made from the intestines of animals like pigs, sheep, or cows, are the traditionalists' choice. They're favored for their ability to impart a distinct, sought-after texture and flavor to the sausage. These casings are breathable, allowing smoke and air to penetrate the sausage during the cooking and curing processes, enhancing the rich, authentic taste that gourmet sausage lovers crave. On the flip side, synthetic casings, made from materials like collagen, cellulose, or even plastic, offer consistency and durability. They're the go-to for mass production because they come in uniform sizes, making it easier to produce sausages that are the same weight and length. This uniformity is crucial for factories focused on high volume and efficiency. Synthetic casings are also less prone to breakage than their natural counterparts, reducing waste during the stuffing process. Plus, for those making vegetarians or halal sausages, synthetic casings provide an alternative that aligns with dietary restrictions. Linking the sausages is the next major milestone in the sausage-making journey. While it might seem straightforward, mastering those twists is an art form that demands precision and expertise. The sausage linking process is not merely about aesthetics. It's a critical phase that ensures uniformity and consistency in every batch. Here's how it works. After the stuffing stage, the long, continuous strand of filled casing moves to the linking machine. This device is a marvel of food manufacturing technology, designed to segment the sausage into individual portions with a series of quick, precise twists. The machine grasps the filled casing at predetermined intervals, pinching and twisting it to create separate sausages. This process must be finely tuned. Twist too loosely, and the sausages may come undone. Too tightly, and the casings could tear. The magic lies in the machine's ability to perform these actions at an astonishing speed, processing several lengths of sausage in mere seconds. Yet, despite this rapid pace, each sausage emerges from the machine at a uniform size and weight. This consistency is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that the sausages cook evenly, whether they're destined for a grill, frying pan, or oven. Uneven sizes could lead to some sausages being overcooked while others remain underdone, compromising the quality of the final product. Moreover, uniformity in size and weight is essential for packaging and presentation. Consumers expect products that look consistent, and retailers demand packages that fit neatly on shelves and weigh exactly what they're supposed to. This level of precision in the linking stage plays a crucial role in meeting those expectations. The linking process also introduces another layer of skill: the adjustment for different sausage types. Different recipes may call for varying lengths and thicknesses, requiring the machine settings to be adjusted accordingly. This flexibility allows manufacturers to produce a wide range of sausage types, from thin breakfast links to thick bratwursts, all with the same level of precision and efficiency. In essence, the linking stage is where the sausage truly takes form, transitioning from a continuous strand of meat-filled casing into distinct, individual sausages ready for the next steps in their creation. Next up is the journey through flavor enhancement and preservation in the fully automated, high-tech domain of smoking, curing, and cooking. In this advanced setup, machines seamlessly blend traditional flavoring techniques with modern efficiency. The process starts in the automated smokehouses and curing chambers, where precise controls infuse the sausages with rich, complex flavors and ensure their longevity. Temperature, humidity, and smoke intensity are meticulously managed to achieve the perfect balance between taste and preservation. The adventure reaches its peak in the cooking phase, conducted in state-of-the-art ovens that guarantee each sausage is cooked to perfection. These machines are programmed to maintain the ideal temperature, ensuring every link reaches the food safety standards without compromising on flavor or juiciness. Following cooking, the sausages are swiftly transferred to cooling conveyors, where they're brought down to the right temperature for packaging. This high-tech process ensures that from smoking to cooling, the sausages are prepared with precision, blending safety with the ultimate taste experience. The final touch before packaging brings us to the cutting stage, where sausages, still linked in a long string, meet the precision of an automatic cutting machine. This marvel of engineering detects the spaces between linked sausages and slices them apart with surgical accuracy. The cutter's blades are fine-tuned to slice cleanly through the casing without damaging the sausage meat inside. Speed is of the essence here, as the machine swiftly separates hundreds of sausages per minute, ensuring that the production line keeps moving without a hitch. This step is crucial for maintaining the pace of production while upholding the standards of quality and uniformity. As we approach the finish line, packaging and labeling stand as the last checkpoints. In this fully automated process, robots take the lead, ensuring every sausage is vacuum sealed to lock in freshness. Then, with precision, they apply labels that provide essential information, guaranteeing transparency and trust. This stage isn't just about wrapping things up. It's a pledge of quality, a sign that every sausage leaving the factory meets the highest standards. Robots, with their unerring accuracy and speed, encapsulate each sausage in a protective embrace, preparing them for their journey to your table. This seamless integration of robotics in packaging and labeling underscores a commitment to excellence and the promise that what you're purchasing is truly of premium quality. After all that, the sausages are ready to hit the road, heading to stores and eventually your plate. It's a tough journey from start to finish, but the result is those tasty sausages we can't get enough of. So there you have it, a thrilling ride through the cutting-edge world of sausage making, from raw ingredients to the final, flavorful product on your plate. This journey showcases the blend of tradition, innovation, and precision engineering that brings us the sausages we love. If you want to explore more exciting how it's made stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.